Hello scrappers! Today we're going to take a look at some more Cisco Systems components. This is the Catalyst 2960. So yeah, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this one. We're going to tear her down and see what kind of boards we got inside and what we can retrieve for gold recovery or just selling the boards. Yeah, all right. Let's get started. To get these out, I'm going to be using some dumpster tools. The little socket that is on here I found in the dumpster in one of my other videos, if you remember. So yeah, we'll just take these out. And let's see if we can get her open. Where's a screwdriver? I think it just pushes back. Maybe. Well, let's take the front off. See what we got going on here. See what we got going on. All right, I'm hoping that those don't hold anything. It appears that, I bet you, those do hold something. Those do hold something. We're gonna have to take those out too. Okay, where did my screwdriver one go? Let's do it. Looks like a pretty good fit. Looks like a pretty good fit. I think that ought to do it. Is it gonna push off the front or the back? Let's try to get under here, and there we go. Ooh, look at that board. She's a long one. She's a long board. And yeah, look at those. I wonder what those things do. It's weird. It's just like there's some kind of guards or something. Some kind of guards. Oh yeah. Come on, wires. Come off of there. I just hate these things. We hate these things. You gotta go in it like that. Oh, I got one on that side. No. Well, she's being a pain in the butt. She's being a pain. Well, come on. Really? There, I was pushing it the wrong way. There. All right, let's take a minute and look at this board. As far as gold recovery goes, there's some nice two-sided chips there, and some gold fingers. They look pretty yellow. Don't know what's underneath these heat sinks. Got a gold cornered PGA. Other than that, it's really not really full. So, oh, there's another one of those things that you can like see down in there. Can you see that? It's so cool. There's a picture. There's a picture printed inside the chip. It's a picture of the world. That's what it is. Yeah. So those are some kind of weird chips. There's a gold band crystal oscillator there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take these screws out and watch how fast I can do it here. Not that way. There, that didn't take too long, huh? How about this here? That's the wrong size. Okay. So yeah, that should get the board out of there. She's a pretty light board, other than the metal all along there. But that's where we got a lot of gold pins on those. Some gold fingers, yeah. You might have to confiscate them. Those might have to be put under arrest. So, all right, yeah. And of course, we got the power board, which it doesn't really even look like it has much on it. It's kind of one of the sparsest power boards I've seen in a long time. So yeah, that wasn't really a big teardown, and other than the one board, there really isn't a whole lot of value in there. So we'll just continue to clean this up and get the shred put aside and all of that, and maybe we'll do another one. Why am I using this hand screwdriver? Come on. Look at there. I thought it would be quicker than switching the bit in the drill, but I guess not. Those are some pretty long screws they put in there. Pretty long screws they got going on there. All right, look at there. I wonder if I could circumcise this this fan without even having to take it out of there. It's like a squirrel cage type fan, and yeah, I don't think it's not gonna let me take it out this way. So that means we gotta take these screws off, or these nuts off. Gotta get the nuts off. Come and get your nuts off. Alright, let's see, that's got to open up here somehow. Got some kind of clip going on here. Oh, she bite. So yeah, there we go. We snip them on that cage, and that should give us a motor. Throw that in the old motor bucket. Okay, scrappers, remember, if you're a cat lover, pounce on that like button. If not, just give it a delicate click. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Enlighten someone, hit that share button, and get yourself some scrapper gear at Scrap-Meister.com. Plus, I'd suggest that you watch one of the videos on screen now. And remember, until the next video, be good.